Well, the breeze is still continuing today, making those temps feel even cooler outside as we head through the rest of the evening and overnight tonight. We are going to be seeing those temperatures reaching down into the teens, a mix of clouds and clear skies overnight tonight. But then tomorrow morning, most of us should be waking up to a good amount of sunshine, even if there are still a couple of clouds in the area. But again, those temps down into the teens by tomorrow morning. Then as we head through the day, we're going to start seeing some high thin clouds moving in first, then thicker clouds coming in the early afternoon, continuing into the evening ahead of the next system that's going to be bringing us some snow Saturday night. Coming in around 8 to 10 p.m. is this next low pressure system that's going to be bringing us some heavy, moderate snow overnight into Sunday. And by Sunday morning, we are expecting to see several inches of snow on the ground. But the good news is that it is going to taper off pretty quickly Sunday morning between 7 to 9 a.m. And then the rest of the day looks dry. We could even see some breaks of sunshine by Sunday evening. So that means that if you are planning on having a Super Bowl Sunday football party, it should be nice and dry with clearing skies, but it is going to be a little bit chilly. So good thing Super Bowl parties are usually inside. But it should definitely be good enough for that because the snow is going to be starting late Saturday, but ending early Sunday morning. Again, we are expecting a good amount of snow accumulation on the ground by Sunday morning. So we'll keep you updated here, and you can scan the QR code and we'll keep you updated on the app as well as we head through the snowstorm Saturday evening into Sunday morning. We do still have winter storm watches ahead of this system starting 7 p.m. Saturday for Franklin, Hampshire, and Hampden counties. And then if we take a look at Berkshire County, they have a winter storm warning. I am expecting that to extend to the rest of Western Mass either late tonight or early tomorrow morning, as it has extended into parts of Connecticut and New York as well. That is also for Saturday starting at 7 p.m. Now with the storm, we're expecting to see 4 to 8 inches of snow across most of southern New England. Definitely here in Western Mass, we could even see some isolated higher totals up to 9, 10, or even 11 inches in the higher elevations. But most of Western Mass, again, should be seeing 4 to 8 inches of snow by Sunday morning. Now, as of right now in Westover, we've seen 15 inches of snow so far, not all together, but total throughout with the couple of storms that we've had. We've seen a total of 15. By now, normally we would see up to 32 inches, and by the end of the season, we should be seeing almost 50 inches of snow. But we definitely have this deficit right now, but the next little bit is going to be more active. We've got this first system coming through Saturday night into Sunday, then Monday dry, but Tuesday we have another system coming through, and this week is going to be pretty active. Here's the system that's coming through late Tuesday. Then we have another chance for some wintry weather coming in Thursday, and then again next weekend. So it is going to be pretty wet out there, which is exactly what our February precip outlook predicted for us. But this week, we're definitely going to be seeing that with plenty of systems coming through. Starting Saturday night into Sunday, we're going to see several inches of snow on the ground Sunday morning. But by the evening, things should be dried out. After that, Monday dry and breezy. Tuesday, another chance for snow. Next chance for some snow to mix is Thursday, and then another chance to see some precip coming in for next weekend. Chris, back to you.